Hello people of YouTube. I've recently reviewed the N2 CarPlay system and check out the links above and below. And I think it's one of the best systems I've ever used, to the point where the one on this bike I bought myself. So I got the one for free to review and I got this one with my own money. Now, one thing I wanted to show today, because I didn't show it on the video for various reasons that you'll see on that video, is I didn't show the parking sensor working. The parking sensor is so that, I don't know, they move your bike, someone tries to steal your bike, so it's a bit of an anti-theft as well. Somebody hits a bike in a car park or wherever. The idea is it's going to start recording and lock those files even with the ignition off, okay? So what we're going to do now, the bike is completely off, ignition off, no lights, nothing on the unit here. I am going to move the bike first of all. We're going to see if we see a little blue light that's indicating that it's going to start doing things. Now on the K7 it does it brilliantly. So let's put the stand up. Okay. There we go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the bike. And there we go. Look. I don't know if you can see, so I'm putting the stand down. There is a blue light there. There's a blue light there. So that looks like it's done something. Let's also give the... Oh, and look at there. A little red light. That has shown that it has activated. The red light has indicated that it has started recording. Now we'll just wait for this blue light to stop, and then we're going to go into the protected files folders. Well, actually, no, we're going to go into the parking files into the parking file folder, and we're going to see just what or if it recorded. Now, just as we're waiting for this to go up, if you do see that video, you'll see that we had problems due to what we believe to be either an easy CAN system, something to do with the BMW power, and it looks like you can't use anything like a Heel-Tech Thunderbox or any kind of easy CAN system. It will not work with those. So I do need to communicate with INNOVV to see if they can fix that. But let's have a look. Let's turn on the ignition. Okay, I'm going to go into replay. I'm going to go into parking. And we have, oh, sorry about that. That's because, of course, it's just logged on to my phone connection. So once again, it's a replay. It stops recording. Into parking. And okay, and let's press play. There we go. It started recording, and it will give you 30 seconds of recording. Let's have a look at the front camera. There we go. There we go. There we go. So, as long as you don't wire it in, as I said, to a Heel-Tech Thunderbox, something similar, or some other smart ACC live ignition system, it works brilliantly. And I'm sure INNOVV will also at some point fix that issue as well, so that you can, because, well, that's what people do. They don't want to always splice into something. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Click on that bell button, because at the end of the day, my videos are no longer being pushed out there at all. My impressions are almost zero. So, but that's for another video. I might chat about that going home. Check out this unit. It's the best unit I've ever tested. As I said, to the point where I bought a new one. So thank you very much. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.